Good morning, dear students. So today we will start our exercise 5e. This exercise is the last exercise in chapter 5, linear simultaneous equation. So this chapter is based on our word problem. Total 26 methods are there and all are word problems. So let's start question number 1. So question number 1, what is given? This one you need to understand first nicely. If you understand the question, then solution will be very easy. So question is the sum and difference of two numbers. So two numbers are there. These two numbers we don't know. Maybe first number is we are considering as our x, and second number we are considering as our y. If you consider these two numbers as our x and y, so what the condition given here? See, the sum and difference. If we add these two numbers, that time it will be our 32, and their difference will be our 6. So x minus y will be our 6. Here we need to consider x is our greater than our y. Which one is our greater? X. X is our greater than our y. So see, so let the numbers be x and y. According to the question, so x plus y is equal to our 32 and x minus y is equal to our 6. So as far we learn 4 different methods to solve. Our cross multiplication method, substitution method, elimination method, comparing method. So any method we are able to apply here. So we apply here elimination method. So here you will see in equation number 1, x variable is this our x is our variable, is coefficient nothing means our 1. In equation number 2 also x coefficient nothing means our 1. Same it is our coefficient. If our coefficient same, then no need to convert this one. And y also our coefficient same. So it is easy for us. If we add or subtract, anything will do, so it will be easy for us. So we are doing this one addition. Equation number 1 plus equation number 2. So left hand side of equation x plus y plus this plus sign. So here this plus our equation number 2, left side of equation number 2 x minus y is equal to will be our right side of equation number 1 32 plus our left side right side of our equation number 2 6. So 32 plus our 6. Now this one will take out from the bracket. So if we take out this one from the bracket, so it will be c x plus y plus, here it is our plus, and before this x also our nothing means our plus, so plus plus will be our plus, and next one will be our plus minus minus, so minus y is equal to our 32 plus 6 38. Now here you will see x, this one is a positive, this one also a positive, so x plus x will be our 2x, and this is our plus y and this one is our minus y, so it will be cancelled. So 2x is equal to our 38. Now 38 will divide by our 2, so it will be our 19. So x value we got 19. Now this x value 19, any equation we are able to put, maybe equation number 1 or equation number 2. So we are putting in equation number 1. Equation number 1 is our x plus y is equal to 32. So instead of x, now we put 19 plus our y is equal to 32. Now 19 will shift to our right hand side, so it will be our minus. So 32 minus 19 is equal to our 13. Therefore the required two numbers are 19 and 13. This makes another way also we are able to do without two variables x and y, only one variable we are able to do this one. See how it is. So let the one number be x, so other number will be our, see here sum given our 32. So sum, that means x plus another number is equal to our 32. So more easily we will understand this one. Suppose see, if two numbers sum is equal to our 32, maybe it is our one number is 30, another number is 2, that time it will be our 32. And if we know one number, then another number definitely we know. This one, suppose x value is equal to 30, then this value we need to find out. How this value will be our, from the sum, if we subtract one number, that time only we are getting another number, so it will be our 2. So we are getting this one. So here this method will apply. So if one number is equal to our x, then other number will be our, from the sum, this number we need to subtract. So it will be our 32 minus x. Now according to the question, so this number, first number, from this number if we subtract the second number is our, we got 32 minus our x. That time this difference is equal to our 6. Now we take out this one from the bracket, so it will be our minus 32 and minus minus plus 6 is equal to our 6. Now 32 one will shift to our right hand side, so it will be our plus 32 and x plus x 2x. Now 6 plus 32 is equal to our 38. Now this 38 we need to divide by our 2. So we got x value is equal to our 19. Now the required two numbers will be our, first number we got our 19, other number we know this one is our 32 minus our x. Now x value 19, so it will be our 19. So 32 minus 19 is equal to 33. So anyway we are able to do this one, but our method must be correct. And here also we will apply any method, this one, maybe elimination, cross multiplication, substitution or elimination. Which one is easy for you, this one will apply. Question number 3. Sum of two numbers is our 39. So sum, these two numbers is there. These two numbers sum is equal to our 39. We don't know these two numbers. If you consider it is our x and y, so their sum is equal to will be our 39. So x plus y will be our 39. And see, next part of this question, when half of the greater, this one, suppose consider this one, x is our greater than our y. X, this one is our greater number. Between these two, x is our greater, if you consider this one. Now what told? Half of the greater, that means half, that means x divided by 2, so it will be our half. Half of the greater, this one we need to subtract from the twice the smaller from the 2y, twice the smaller. From this we need to subtract this one. So it will be our 2y minus will be our x by 2. That time it will be our equal to 18. It becomes 18. So it will be our 18. Find the number. So very easy. We got our equation. So if you consider the greater number x and the smaller number y, if we are considering this one, let the greater number x and the smaller number our y. Therefore, according to the question, x plus y is equal to will be our 39. Now, this one equation number 1 we got. Now, second condition of this question is our what? Second equation is our half of the greater number, that means our x by 2. This one we need to subtract from the twice of the smaller number, that means 2y. 2y minus x by 2. So 2y minus our half into our x, that means our x by 2 only. Now we'll take LCM. If we take LCM of this numbers, two numbers here, this one is our first term and second term. So first term is our 2y and second term is our x by 2. So this one down, it is our 1 there, because we know this one, every number has denominator 1 only. So 2 and 1 LCM will be our 2 only. So now this 2 we need to divide by our 1. So result will be our 2 only. If we divide it by 1, so 2. Now this result we got 2. With this 2 we need to multiply 2y. So it will be our 4y. Minus will be here, it is minus sign in between, so minus. 2 divided by 2, 1. 1 into x, so x only is equal to our 18. Now cross multiplication if we do, so it will be our x first coming, so we are writing minus x plus our 4y is equal to 2 into 18 will be our 36. So it will be our equation number 3. We are making this one equation number 3. So this one is our, according to question, this one is equation number 2, and from this 2 only we are making this one is our equation number 3. Now if we see equation number 1, this one is our not original. From this one only we are making this one. So now we consider 1 and 3. So 1 and 3 in these two equations, which one is our equal? See, x coefficient, and here also x coefficient is our equal, and both are not same sign. First one in equation number 1, x sign is equal to our positive, and second one is our negative. So here we need to do plus. If our opposite sign, so plus. If both are same sign, so it will be our negative. If maybe if this one is our minus x, this one also minus x, so that time we'll do it is our minus sign only. Here or this one, if it is our both our plus x, this one also our plus x, that time also we'll do minus. So here it is our opposite sign. One is plus, another one is minus. That means we need to do plus sign. So equation number 1 plus equation number 3. So equation number 1, this equation number 3 you need to give here. This one is not 2, it is our 3. Equation number 3. So equation number 1, it is our what given left hand side of equation number 1, it is our x plus y. So x plus y. And equation number 3, left hand side is our minus x plus 4y. So minus x plus 4y. And right hand side of our equation number 1, 39. So 39 plus our equation number 3, right hand side is our 36, so 36. Now this one will take out from the bracket. So it will be our plus, here it is minus, so plus minus minus, and plus will be our plus only. Now see, plus x minus x will be our cancel, and y plus 4y will be our 5y, and 39 plus 36 is equal to our 75. Now 75 one will divide by our 5, so it will be our 15. Now y value will put in our equation number 1. So equation number 1 is our x plus y is equal to 39. X plus y, so y value will be our 15, so x plus 15 is equal to our 39. Now 15 will shift to our right hand side, so it will be our minus. So 39 minus 15 is equal to our 24. Therefore the required two numbers are 24, x value is equal to 24, this one, and y value we got our 15. So required values will be our, that means required two numbers are our 24 and our 15. Question number 6. For two numbers a and b, two numbers are there a and b. If we consider a is equal to our 2, just we are considering this one, and b is equal to our 3. So what told this one? Sum of 2a. 2 into a. So 2 into a value we are considering it is our 2 plus our b value is equal to our 3. So it will be our 7 is equal to our 7, and that of a plus 2b, a value is equal to our 2 plus our 3 into 2 into our 2 into 3, b value is equal to our 3, that time it will be our 8. So find a and b. So we need to find out our a and b. So here it is giving only our equation. So 2a plus b is equal to our 7, and another one is our a plus 2b, because it is our sum, so it will be our 8. So it is our equation number 1, and this one is equal to our equation number 2. This one 1, this one 2. Now see, here our a coefficient 2 in equation number 1, and equation number 2 a coefficient 1. So both are not same. Let's see b1, b equation number 1 coefficient 1, and equation number 2 b coefficient is our 2. So both equation, not a single variable, is our equal. So we need to make it is our equal. So equation number 1, this equation, this one we need to multiply. Which one we need to make equal? Suppose we are making equal b we are making equal. So equation number 1, we need to multiply this equation by the coefficient of b of second equation. Second equation b coefficient is our what? 2. So with this 2 we need to multiply equation number 1. All this term, first term, second term, and this right hand side one, all this one we need to multiply by our 2. So 2 into 2, 4a, plus 2 into b will be our 2b, is equal to 7 into 2 will be our 14. Now equation number 2, this equation number 2, one we need to multiply the coefficient of equation number 1b. This one equation number 1 b, it is our b coefficient is equal to our 1. With 1 we need to multiply equation number 2. So it will be our 1 into a, means a only, plus 2b into 1, so 2b, plus 8 into 1, 8. Now here we got our C, 2b are equal. Both our sign are equal. If sign are equal, that means we need to do minus. So we are doing minus. So if it is minus, that means this one is our plus. Originally it is our plus. So plus minus will be our now minus. So 4a minus a. So it will be our 3a. So 3a. And these two terms, first one is our plus 2a, second one also our plus 2a. Now we are doing minus, so plus minus, this plus minus will be it is our minus only. So plus, this one is our plus 2a, it is our minus 2a, same things will be cancelled. So here it will be 0, no need to write 0, and 14 plus 14 and plus 8, it is our plus 8. Now plus minus will be our minus 8. So 14 minus 8 is equal to will be our 6. So 3a is equal to our 6. Now this 6 will divide by 3, so it will be our 2. So a value we got our 2. Now we put this a value in any equation. Suppose in equation number 1 we are putting this a value is equal to 2. So 2 into 2 plus b is equal to our 7. So 2 into 2, 4. This 4 will shift to our right hand side, so it will be our minus. So 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. Therefore the required value of a is equal to our 2 and b is equal to our 3. Question number 8. The denominator of a fraction. Fraction means we know this one, it is our numerator and denominator over there. Numerator, denominator. Top one is our numerator, down one is our denominator. So what told in this fraction, denominator of the fraction, this one, denominator, down one, is greater than the numerator by 5. This one is our greater from this our numerator by our 5. So if we consider this one numerator and denominator as our x and y, so the fraction will be our x by y. So what told it is our, this our denominator is our greater than our numerator by our 5. So this one is our greater, denominator, this one is our greater. So both side, numerator and denominator, how we are able to show numerator is equal to our denominator, how we are able to show equal both sides, because denominator already it is our 5 more. So if this one numerator is equal to our 7, let's consider. So denominator 5 more means our 12, 7 plus 5, 12. So 7 is equal to 12 or what? No. How that time will be our equal? If we add plus 5 with our numerator, that time will be our both side equal. So if you consider this one x and y as our numerator and denominator, so with our numerator, if we add plus 5, that time it will be our equal to our denominator. So x plus 5 is equal to our y. Now y will shift to our left hand side, so it will be our minus y. And this 5 plus 5 we are shifting to our right hand side, so it will be our minus 5. So this one will be our equation number 1. Now the condition number 2 of this question is our what? If 13 is subtracted from the numerator, from this numerator if we subtract 13, denominator our same to same will be remain, here no subtraction, addition, nothing given, the fraction becomes 1 by 2, means half. Now we cross multiplication, we will do this one. If you cross multiply this one, 2 into x will be about 2x, minus 2 into 13 will be about 26, and y into y, 1 is equal to our y only. Numerator into denominator. Left hand side numerator and right hand side denominator. And our left hand side denominator and right hand side will be our into will be our right hand side numerator. So we are getting this one, 2x minus our 26 is equal to our y. 2x minus 26 is equal to our y. Now this plus y, this one is our right hand side, this one will shift to our left hand side, so it will be our minus y, and minus 26 when we are shifting to our right hand side, so it will be our plus 26. Now we'll see equation number 1 and equation number 2 we got. So x here it is our coefficient 1 and here coefficient 2, so it is not equal our. Let's see y1, here y coefficient is equal to 1 and here also y coefficient is our 1, and before y it is our minus equation number 1, in equation number 2 also y default is our minus. So both signs are equal, that means we need to give it is our minus. Equation number 1 minus equation number 2. So equation number 1, left hand side of equation number 1 is our x minus y, so x minus y. And this minus sign will be our here minus. And equation number 2, left hand side is our 2x minus y, so 2x minus y. We need to keep this one in bracket because it is our combined. Is equal to will be our equation number 1, our right hand side minus 5, so minus 5. And this minus will be our here minus. And this equation number 2 right hand side 26, so 26. Now we'll take out this one from the bracket. So if we take out this one from the bracket, so it will be our minus 2x and minus minus plus y. So minus y plus y will be cancelled, and here minus 5 and minus 26 will be our minus 31, and x minus 2x will be our minus x only. So minus x is equal to our minus 31, so both side minus minus is there, so cancel it will be. Therefore x value is equal to our 31. Now this x value will put in our equation number 1. So equation number 1 is our x minus y is equal to our minus 5. So x minus y is equal to our minus 5. So x value is equal to 31, minus y is equal to our minus 5. Now 31 is our constant number, so we'll shift this one to our right hand side, so it will be our minus 31. Then here will be remain our minus y only. So minus y is equal to minus 5 minus 31. So minus y is equal to will be our minus 5 minus 31 is equal to minus 36. Now left hand side also minus, right hand side also minus, so minus minus will be cancelled. Therefore our y will be our 36. Y is equal to our denominator. Therefore the fraction will be our numerator value is equal to our what we got 31 and denominator value we got 36. So therefore the required fraction is our 31 by 36. Question number 11. A number is greater by 5. A number is there, this number is greater by 5 than 3 times of the other. Another number is there, from this number 3 times. Suppose our greater number x and smaller number our y. So this number is our greater than 3 times of the smaller number of the other. That means 5 exists also, 5 also more. If we 3 times we will make the smaller numbers. The number is there, if we make this one 3 times, then this greater number will be 5 more than this number. 5 more than this number, that means plus will be our 5. So how both sides will be our equal? So this one is our greater number, this one is our smaller number. How both sides will be our equal? Again I explain, you will understand this one. A number is greater by 5 than 3 times of the other. A number is greater by 5. How much bigger it is our 5? When it will be 5 bigger? When we will make the smaller one 3 times. So if considering this one x greater number and smaller number as our y. Now according to our question, what told, this greater number 1 x1 will be 5 more when this one will be 3 times of the smaller number. So now both sides are equal. X is equal to our 3y. Now 5 also more. So this 5 if we add with our this one, so it will be our more big. So this plus 5 we need to add with our smaller number. That time it will be our both sides equal. So according to the question, x will be our, this our greater number x will be our 3y plus will be our 5. So first we need to write here, we consider this one, the greater number and the smaller number be x and y respectively. So x will be our 3y plus 5. Now 3y shift to our left hand side. So it will be minus 3y is equal to will be our 5. So this one will be question number 1. Now condition number 2 it is C, but 4 times of the smaller number. If we make 4 times the smaller number, then what will happen? the smaller number exists the greater by 1. That time this number will be one more of the bigger number. One more will be. This number will be one more from this greater number. So this plus 1, if we give here, so it will be more big. So this plus 1 we need to add with our plus x, with x. So that time it will be our equal. So x plus 1 is equal to will be our 4y. So x plus 1 is equal to our 4y. Now 4y will shift to our left hand side. So it will be our minus 4y. And 1 will shift to our right hand side. So it will be our minus 1. So it is our equation number 2. Now from equation number 1 and equation number 2, we will see x is our equal. And both our same sign, that means our minus. So equation number 1, left hand side is our x minus 3y. So x minus 3y. Minus sign, so here minus. After this one in bracket, x minus 4y is equal to will be our 5 minus this minus 1, because we are doing minus this one, equation number 1 minus equation number 2. So 5 minus in bracket will be our this right hand side one, so minus 1. Now we'll take out this one from the bracket, so it will be our x minus 3y minus x and minus minus plus 4y is equal to will be our this one c. Directly I have written this one 5, 6, it is how written 5 minus minus will be our plus and 1, so 5 plus 1 is equal to our 6. Now here we got x, this one is positive, this one is our negative, so it will be our cancelled, and minus 3y plus 4y. Between these two, 4y is our bigger, and it is before plus sign, so result will be our plus. And 4 minus 3, 1, so 1 no need to write, just 1, y. So y is equal to our 6. We got the value of our y is equal to our 6. Now we put this value of our y in equation number 1. Equation number 1, x minus 3y is equal to our 5. So x minus 3 into y value is equal to 6 is equal to our 5. So 3 into 6, 18, minus 18 it is our, so minus 18 will shift to our right hand side, so will be our plus 18. So 18 plus 5 is equal to our 23. Therefore our required greater number is our x is our greater number, so x value is equal to our 23. Therefore the required greater number is will be our 23, and the smaller number is our, what we got, y value 6. So smaller number is our 6. Now next we will do question number 14. Question number 14 is very easy. When the sum of two numbers is divided, so here we are considering these two numbers x and y respectively. This one, two numbers. When the sum of the two numbers is divided by 3, we get 28. And when 3 times of the smaller is subtracted from twice the greater, it becomes our 13. So what are the numbers? So we are considering x is our greater number and y is our smaller number. So sum of these two numbers, that means x plus y divided by our 2. When the sum, no, divided by 3, when we divided by it by divided by 3, we get, the result will be our, is equal to result will be our 28. So this one we need to cross multiplication. So 28 down over 1, so 1 into x plus y, so same to same, 1 multiplication, so x plus y, and 3 into 28 will equal to our 84. So this is our equation number 1. And condition number 2, what told, when 3 times the smaller number, that means 3y, 3 times the smaller number, 3y it is our, is subtracted. This one we need to subtract from twice the greater number, that means 2x. 2 into x, double it is becoming of greater number. From this 2x we need to subtract this 3y, 3 times of the smaller number. That time the result will be our 13. So 2x minus 3y is equal to our 13. This one will be our equation number 2. Now we'll see anything is equal or what. X coefficient 1 in equation number 1, and here x coefficient 2. In equation number 1, y coefficient 1, and here it is our 3. It's not equal, so we need to make any one equal. Or any other method also you are able to apply, cross multiplication, then substitution, or comparison method, any method you are able to apply. So here I am applying elimination method. So we are making y as our equal. So equation number 2, y value is equal to our 3. With 3, equation number 1 we need to multiply. So the result will be our 3x plus 3y is equal to 84 into 3 is equal to our 252. Now equation number 2 we need to multiply with our coefficient of y in equation number 1. In equation number 1, y coefficient 1. With 1 we need to multiply now equation number 2. So 1 multiplication same to same will be remain our 2x minus 3y is equal to our 13. Now see, it is our opposite sign. This one is our plus, this one is our minus. That means we need to do addition. Equation number 1 plus equation number 2. If we add this one, so this 2 will be our plus only. This one also plus, this one also plus. So 3 plus 2 is equal to our 5x. And this 2 plus minus will be our cancel, same. And 252 plus 13 will be our 265. So 265 now will divide by our 5. So result will be our 53. 265 divided by our 5. 5 into 5, 25. 1 will be remain 15. So 15. How many times will go? 3 times. So 53. So we got the value of our x 53. Now we'll put this x value 53 in equation number 1. Equation number 1, x plus y is equal to 84. So x value 53 plus y is equal to 84. Now 53 will shift to right hand side and subtract, so it will be 31. Therefore the required numbers are 53 and 31. Question number 16. Combined age of Sonia and her father is 60 years. If we consider Sonia age is x and father age is our y. So if we add these two, that time their combined age is equal to our 60. So this one will be our equation number 1. X plus y is equal to our 60. Equation number 1 we got. If we consider, see, let the present age of our Sonia and her father be x and y years respectively. So Sonia age we are considering x and her father age we are considering as our y. So equation number 1 will be our combined age. That means their sum of their age will be our father and daughter age will be together, age will be our 60 years. So x plus y is equal to our 60 years. Now next part of this question is given our 15 years later. That means from now after 15 years. Suppose your age is at present 13. So after 15 years your age will be what? More 15 years. So we need to add 15. It will be our 28. So after 15 years your age will be 28. Same as their age also will be increased 15 years. So and 15 years later Sonia's age will be x plus 15 because her present age is our x, and her father age will be our y plus 15 because her father present age is our y. So after 15 years her father age will be our y plus more 15 years. So y plus 15 years. Now this one our condition given what, see, after 15 years, that means 15 years later the father will be twice as old as Sonia. That means this one is our father. His age will be double of Sonia age. So y plus 15 is equal to our x plus 15. We are not able to give this one because this one already double it is. So this double one we need to multiply with our Sonia. That time both sides will be our equal. We have written here 2 into x plus y, Sonia age 1 is equal to will be our father age after 15 years, this one. After 15 years age, this one. After 15 years father will be twice of Sonia's age compared to Sonia's age. So we need to multiply these two with our Sonia age. So both sides will be our equal. Now if we multiply 2 into x, so 2x plus plus will be our plus 2 into 15 is equal to our 30. Now variable will shift to our left hand side and constant one to our right hand side. So 2x, 2 into x, and y1 will shift to our left hand side, so it will be our minus y. And constant plus 30 will shift to our right hand side, so it will be our minus 30. So we got 2x minus y is equal to 15 minus 30. So between these two numbers, this one is our bigger, and before it is minus sign, so minus will be our, and 30 minus 15 is equal to our 15. So it will be our minus 15. So this one will be our equation number 2. Now we'll see equation number 1 and equation number 2, anything is equal. X not equal. Y is our equal. Y is our equal. That means coefficient is our equal. That means we need to, and opposite sign is our plus minus. So we need to add this one. So if we add equation number 1, x plus y, plus will be our equation number 2, 2x minus y, and equation number 1 right hand side it is our 60. 60 plus will be in bracket minus 15. Now we'll take out this one from the bracket, so it will be our plus 2x minus y, and this one also will take out from the bracket, so it will be plus minus minus 15. So here y is equal to our plus, this one is our plus and this one is our minus, will be cancelled, and these two are positive only, so we will be add, so 2x plus x 3x, and 60 minus 15 is equal to our 45. Now 45 will divide by our 3, so it will be our 15. So x value we got our 15. Now this 15 x value we will put in our equation number 1. Equation number 1, it is our x plus y is equal to 60. So x value is equal to our 15 plus our y is equal to 60. Now 15 will shift to our right hand side, so minus 15. So 60 minus 15 is equal to our 45. Therefore the Sonia's present age is our, Sonia is equal to our x, so it is our 15 years, and her father present age will be our 45 years.